Wondering if you're on track with your savings? In this video, we'll break down exactly how much money you should have saved at every age to ensure a secure financial future. Achieving financial security doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that requires consistent effort and smart planning. Let's dive into the age-by-age savings milestones you should aim for. In this channel, we empower you to achieve financial freedom and build a millionaire mindset. Discover proven strategies, tips, and tricks for saving, investing, side hustles, and smart spending. Subscribe to our channel for more on financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom is not just a dream, it's a choice. Let's dive into the age-by-age savings milestones you should aim for. Age 20, 29, laying the foundation. Your 20s are all about laying the foundation for financial success. Here's what you should focus on. Saving milestone. By age 30, aim to have the equivalent of your annual salary saved. Key actions: build an emergency fund. First, save 6 months worth of living expenses. This fund is crucial for unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Having this cushion ensures you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans in emergencies. Start investing. Next, open a retirement account and start contributing regularly. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Consider options like a 401(k) or an IRA. Even small, consistent contributions can make a big difference over time due to the power of compound interest. Manage debt. Lastly, focus on paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances. High-interest debt can quickly erode your savings potential. By tackling these debts early, you'll free up more money to put towards your savings and investments. By setting these financial goals and taking these key actions in your 20s, you'll build a solid foundation for your future financial success. Age 30, 39, growing your nest egg. Your 30s are a critical time to grow your savings and solidify your financial foundation. Saving milestone. By age 40, aim to have saved 2 times your annual salary. Key actions: increase retirement contributions. Try to max out your retirement accounts. If you have a 401(k), aim to contribute the maximum allowed each year. Take advantage of any employer matching contributions. They're essentially free money for your retirement. Diversify investments. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, and real estate to spread your risk and increase potential returns. Diversification helps protect your portfolio from market volatility. You can use index funds, ETFs, or other investment vehicles to achieve this mix. Save for major purchases. Start saving for a home or other significant investments. Whether it's a down payment for a house, a new car, or starting a business. Having a dedicated savings plan for these major expenses can prevent you from dipping into your retirement funds or taking on unnecessary debt. By focusing on these key actions in your 30s, you'll significantly grow your nest egg and be well on your way to a secure financial future. Age 40, 49, hitting your stride. In your 40s, you should be hitting your stride with savings and preparing for the future. Saving milestone. By age 50, aim to have saved 4 times your annual salary. Key actions: catch-up contributions. If you're behind, take advantage of catch-up contributions for retirement accounts. Individuals over 50 can contribute extra to their 401(k) and IRA, giving you the chance to boost your retirement savings significantly. Plan for kids' education. Consider saving for your children's college education if applicable. Look into options like 529 plans or other educational savings accounts that offer tax benefits and help you prepare for future education costs. Review and adjust. Regularly review your investment portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Ensure your asset allocation aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Rebalancing your portfolio periodically helps maintain the desired level of risk and return. By focusing on these key actions in your 40s, you'll ensure that you are on track to meet your savings goals and secure your financial future. Age 50, 59, preparing for retirement. Your 50s are all about preparing for retirement and ensuring you're on track to meet your goals. Saving milestone. By age 60, aim to have saved 6 times your annual salary. Key actions. Maximize retirement savings. Increase your contributions to retirement accounts. If you haven't already, take full advantage of catch-up contributions to your 401(k) or IRA. This is a great way to boost your retirement savings as you approach retirement age. Evaluate retirement needs. Estimate your retirement expenses and adjust your savings plan accordingly. Consider factors like healthcare costs, travel, and lifestyle changes. Knowing how much you'll need can help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments to your savings strategy. Reduce debt. Work on paying down any remaining debts. Reducing or eliminating debt before retirement can significantly ease your financial burden and free up more of your retirement income for living expenses and enjoyment. By focusing on these key actions in your 50s, you'll ensure you're well prepared for retirement and ready to enjoy your golden years with financial security. Age 60 and beyond, securing your future. As you approach retirement, it's crucial to secure your financial future and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Saving milestone. By retirement, aim to have saved 8 times your annual salary. Key actions. Review retirement. Income. Ensure you have a steady income stream from your savings, investments, and Social Security. This might include pensions, annuities, or other income-generating investments. Regularly review your income sources to ensure they meet your needs. Manage withdrawals. Plan how much you can safely withdraw each year to make your savings last. A common rule of thumb is the 4% rule, which suggests withdrawing 4% of your retirement savings annually. Adjust this percentage based on your specific financial situation and life expectancy. Consider healthcare costs. Plan for potential healthcare expenses and long-term care needs. Healthcare can be a significant expense in retirement, so consider options like Medicare, supplemental insurance, and long-term care insurance to cover these costs. By focusing on these key actions as you enter your 60s and beyond, you can ensure that your financial future is secure and that you can enjoy a comfortable and worry-free retirement. No matter your age, it's never too late to start saving and securing your financial future. Consistent effort and smart planning can help you achieve your wealth goals and enjoy a comfortable retirement. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on managing your money and building wealth. Thanks for watching.